Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this smartphone. First of all, you need to hold your device's display and choose this little icon at the bottom right corner. Now choose More over here, scroll down and tap on icon size. Finally, swipe left or right in order to adjust them. And when you're ready, just go back. Now you need to click on the back button again and click on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!